Hey guys, my name is Ujjwal Singh and I welcome you here again. In this video, we will talk about comments in Java. So let's start the video by looking at the agenda. Here we have the agenda for the video. First of all, we'll see why we use comments in Java. Then we'll see the type of comments. And at last, we'll see the example of the comments. So guys, here we have the explanation that why we use comments in Java or why we should use comments in Java. So comments are used to explain Java codes and to make it more readable for other person. They can be your colleagues, they can be your boss. In other words, we use comments so the other person who might work with the code in the future can understand your logic. I hope you got this. So here we have the next agenda, that is type of comments. So guys, in Java there are two type of comments. The number one is single line comments and the number two is multi-line comments. Let's go and see the example to see how they both look like. Here we have the example for single line and multi-line comments. So on your left side, you can see this is a single line comment. It starts with double slash, and whatever you write after that double slash, compiler gonna assume that this is not the code, this is just a comment. And once you hit the enter and come to the next line, that becomes the code. And that is where we need multi-line comments. Whenever the length of your comment is more than a line, you can use the multi-line comments. To start and end with the multi-line comments, you just need to type and a slash and an asterisk symbol start the comment, and to finish just type an asterisk symbol and a slash. The comment is finished and then you can write the code. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. I hope I was able to help you to understand this concept. If yes, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave us a comment if you have any suggestion would be appreciated. That's all for this vid. See you in the next one. Goodbye.